So what's the difference between a front, mid, and rear engine car? Well, I'm about to tell you. In a front engine car like this Aston Martin, it means that the engine is literally in front of the driver and sits either on top of or in front of the front axles. This is the most common setup that you'll see in cars today, and I would say 95% of cars on the road are front engine cars. This favors interior space and predictability at the limit, but it can sacrifice some amount of handling. Now let's talk about mid-engine cars like this beautiful Ferrari 488 Spider. Mid-engine means that the engine is behind the driver but in front of the rear axle, which essentially allows for near perfect weight distribution and superior handling characteristics because as the weight is in the middle of the car, it allows the car to rotate around itself really effectively. I saved the best for last, at least this is my personal favorite. Rear engine, which is perfectly exemplified in a Porsche 911. The reason why Porsche did this is because it favors traction when getting off the line and coming out of a turn. The weight being over the rear wheels gives it amazing grip and superior acceleration compared to many other forms of automobiles. One of the reasons I like this design, though, is just because it's kind of weird. It's unique, it's special, and driving a 911 really is unlike driving any other car out there. So that's front, mid, and rear engine cars explained. See you next time.